As you can see, the cloud name that I am using here is ThingSpeak. Now, ThingSpeak is a cloud which is provided by the MATLAB. MATLAB you all know, right? And this particular MATLAB company is giving us the facility of the IoT cloud. And this IoT cloud specific to the IoT is called ThingSpeak. Now, if you want, you can just go to that particular link, thingspeak.com, or you just write ThingSpeak into the Google, ThingSpeak. So once you write ThingSpeak, once you search for the ThingSpeak in the Google, it will give you the link. In this link, you have you can just click on the ThingSpeak. In the ThingSpeak, you have to register yourself. So you can register. Registration is free. Here you can do the registration. I have already registered, so this particular window is coming for me. So you can register here. This is that you can do, sign in and sign out, that you can do. You can register yourself. It will give you the link, I think, in your mail, and then you have to click for the activation, and then this ThingSpeak will be active for you. So you all can do that. Once you do the link with it, it will give you this particular interface. In this interface, as you can see, there is some tabs. So the first tab is the channel, second is the app, and third is the support. We have to see this first tab, which is called channel. Just click into the channel and you go to the my channel, or it will ask you to create the channel. Okay, just go to the my channel. Once you'll go to that, there is a button called new channel. If you want to create new channel, you can create it. Yeah. So before that, I'll give you some time to log in into this particular cloud. So you just go to the ThingSpeak. You can sign in yourself. You can activate yourself, and then you come into that particular window, which I have opened. Okay. Before that, I am showing you like how we can connect the digital humidity and temperature sensor with the NodeMCU, and then we'll see that how we can send the humidity and temperature data into the ThingSpeak cloud. So you all have to come in this particular window. Okay, meanwhile, I'll just I'm just opening a program. Where I am using this DHT sensor. So DHT sensor, yesterday also we have used, right? In this DHT sensor, we have to include its header file. Then we have will has defined with DHT11. DHT11 is the type of that particular sensor. Then D2 will be dedicated for the DHT pin. We are making a DHT digital pin. And then we have called the DHT function using this pin and the type. And in the setup, we'll just set up the serial monitor, and we'll begin the DHT sensor here with the help of begin keyword. And then come to the loop. Inside the loop, there are two variable h and t. H will take the DHT reading by DHT.read humidity, and T will take the reading of the temperature, will write DHT.read temperature. So read humidity and read temperature is the function inside the class DHT, and we are using the object DHT here to call those functions. Now come here, after reading the value, we are just printing the current humidity, which is H, in the form of percentage, and current temperature in the form of temperature. Current temperature with the degree Celsius, so you can make it like this, degree Celsius, and that T we are printing. And after that, we are taking a 1 second of gap so that we can read more. Okay. So this is a simple program of DHT sensor. So first we'll make the connectivity of this. And after that, once you're done with the ThingSpeak, we'll go and try to see that how we can use the ThingSpeak cloud to send these sensor data, which we read from this particular board with HNT to the cloud. Okay. So let me do the connectivity here. This is the flame sensor. I'm just removing it. Okay. So I'm putting the DHT sensor. This DHT sensor has 3 pin, as we have seen. First is the VCC, middle is the data, and the last one is the ground. So I'm putting like this. So VCC, or you can have it like this. So it will be VCC at first, right? Let's do the connectivity. So here we have VCC. We are giving the voltage to it. Then the last one is the ground. We are putting into the ground. And then we have the data in between. So data pin. This data pin will go to D2. So in the program it is in D2, so I am putting into the D2. So this is the simple connection that has been done. Let us do the connection. Now port is visible. Now flush this into the board. So 100% is done. Let's see the serial monitor. It is giving you the value of humidity and temperature. It is almost the same, right? So here the temperature is 17 degree right now. I'll just put my AC on. Humidity is also 17, as you can see. Both are 17. Okay, so now it is 28 and this is 27. 29. So the values are coming. Sometime it will not read the value, so that's why it is coming nan or nan words. We are making it very fast, right? Every 1 second we are reading, we are taking the reading. So that's the thing. Now let's close this and let's go to the cloud again. So I hope all of you are in this particular window. Now in this particular window, you can see here we'll have some examples for the ThingSpeak. Like we have the Adreno board, Adreno MK R1, R1000 is another board. For that also there is some example. ESP8266, there is some example. Examples means now how we can do the connectivity with this ThingSpeak cloud with the ESP board or ThingSpeak cloud with the Adreno board and all. Then we have Raspberry Pi and Nadino Plus. So all those are different boards. They have given some examples related to it. If you want, you can go through it. Now, what we have to do is we have to create the channel. So for what we do is we'll just click in here, which is saying create the channel. So once you will do that, it will ask the channel name. So I'll give the channel name. Let's say I want to read the DHT sensor data, and let's say I am in the Gift Institute. So I'll just make a description. It is not required, but if you want, you can write. Then there is a field. Okay. So I'll choose two fields here. First field, I'll make it for the humidity, and the second field, I'll make it for the temperature. So I'll choose two field here, field 1 and field 2. In one field or in one particular channel, a humidity value will come, another channel temperature value will come. Okay, nothing else has to be do, that's all. You just have to choose, select two fields and then save channel. Once you'll do that, the two channel will be created. So this is, two field will be created in this particular channel. This is field 1 and this is field 2. So field 1, we said that it is for the humidity. So you can see humidity is written here. And this is for the temperature. So temperature is written here. Okay. Now let's go to the program where we can use that particular cloud and we'll connect the cloud to the ESP8266 microcontroller. Okay. This is the program here for connecting or for sending the data to the ESP8266 microcontroller. Now, for that, you have to have the library with the ThingSpeak because you want to connect it to the ThingSpeak library. So you should have the library with you, and you have the library of DHT. So DHT, all the library you can get from the sketch. In the sketch, you have include library. You can include the library with the zip file, or you can include the library once you'll go to the manage. Okay. So for that, actually in the link also you can get all those things. Where is that particular link? Okay, I think it is in the hands-on. So we'll just go to the, okay, go to the first link, IoT and Cloud Computing course material. Here you can find one folder called hands-on folder, I think. This is the hands-on folder. Just double click the hands-on folder. Here we have many things, right? So I think here you will find the zip file. See, these are the zip file for the library. This is the zip file again for the DHT library. I think any of these can work. Okay, for the ThingSpeak, you can get from the managed library. I think from the manager library you can get it. So from the sketch, include, and then the managed library, you can go there and you can search for ThingSpeak. Then I think the ThingSpeak will come. So this is the ThingSpeak. Will be shown here after you will include the library. And this .h file has been used. Then this is for the DHT sensor, and then this is for Wi-Fi module. We haven't used it earlier, right? We have used the board, ESP8266 board we have used, but we haven't used ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Now we have to use it. Why? Because I want to connect the NodeMCU to the internet. So this I have to include. After that, to set up the DHT pin, it is D2 only. And then we have to see the SSID and the password for the local area network, local virus area network. So this is the credential of my hotspot that I'll use from my mobile. So also you can create the hotspot from your mobile, right? From the hotspot, you can connect your device. Or if you have the Wi-Fi, you should know the SSID of the Wi-Fi and the password of the Wi-Fi you can put here. So instead of this, you can put your SSID and the password. After that, we'll define the constant variable as secret channel ID and secret write API key. This two value, how you will get it, I'll let you know how you'll get these two value. Then we'll use a unsigned variable called my channel number and the API key what we are getting here. This SSID will put into the SSID a string, or you can say the character array, and the password also in the character array pass. The key index has been used. Then the same thing that you have to call this particular function. You have to define the Wi-Fi client as client, and then come to the setup function. Inside the setup function, you have the serial.begin, so you can start the serial monitor here. DHT.begin, you can begin the DHT sensor. Then there is a delay of 100 millisecond. There is a Wi-Fi mode. We have to use the Wi-Fi mode as Wi-Fi underscore STA. Then ThingSpeak.begin. We are beginning the ThingSpeak. Then come to the loop. Inside the loop, we are doing the program to connect your NodeMCU with the Wi-Fi. So it says that the status is not connected. If it is, then we'll say that attempting to connect to SSID, and it is printing the SSID, the secret SSID. And while we have a loop in which if we are not connected, then it will call the function Wi-Fi.begin with SSID and the password what I have given. So with that, it will connect to the Wi-Fi, and after connecting, it will make a delay of 5 seconds, and it will print connected. After the connection, it will Just take a 5-second pause and it will say connected. After it say connected, it will come, it will it will read the humidity value in H, read the temperature value in T, and humidity and the temperature value it is going to print. Right? So this is the same thing what we have seen in the last program. After that, there is a function called ThingSpeak.write field. In this, we have to put the channel number, we have to put the API key, and we have to put the channel ID, in which channel we want to put. So in the second channel is for the temperature, and the first channel is for the humidity. I can make it like this. First, so I'll put first time, and then second I'll make it the temperature. So the first is the humidity and the second is the temperature. And then there is a delay of 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, your channel will be updated. And there is a gap between writing the humidity value and the temperature value. So this is in the loop. So once your Wi-Fi is not connected, it will start connecting it. If it is connected, then it is not going to that particular and what if statement. It will just give you the value of the temperature and the humidity, right? And it will print, or it will put the value into that particular channel number what we have given with the API key. Now let's see what is the channel number and what is the API key that we are using here. This is the number, right? And this is the key. Where I'll get this particular number and where I'll get this particular key. So let's go to the ThingSpeak and try to understand what is there in the ThingSpeak. So I have created the channel here with the two field. Now the channel ID, you can find it out here. As you can see, this is the channel ID that we have to use. So I'll just copy the channel ID. I'll just paste into the program. So this is my channel ID, right? Done. Now the second is, what is the API key? So here you can see the API key in the tab. Click on that. You will find the write API key because we have to write into the cloud. So this key will use, just copy it and put it into the program. Done. Another API key is there for read. If you want to read anything from the cloud, so for that we'll use this particular key. For writing into the cloud, we'll use this key. Okay. Now come to the private view again. In this we have to field as you can see here. And I am expecting the humidity value here and the temperature value here. Once I'll flush this particular program into the NodeMCU. So everything is ready. My SSID and the password is here. My channel ID and the API key is also here. And my program is ready. Now I'll connect this to the laptop. I just need to see the port is ready or not. Yes, it is ready. Now we'll just flush the value, flush the program. So here you can see that in which state we are. So it is compiling a sketch right now. So right now it is compiling, and after that it will load into the NodeMCU board. Okay, now it is uploading. As you can see, once upload will be done, I'll open the serial monitor. Before that, do not open the serial monitor. Otherwise, sometime what will happen is it will stop the uploading, or it will give some error on uploading. So it is 100% right now. Now open the serial port. Now here it will be, yeah, it says connected and it is showing you the humidity value. It is 29 and 23. And now it is 30 and 23. Let's see let's see our cloud. Yeah. So in the cloud also you'll get some value here. The humidity value you got here. 29 humidity value that you got. Okay, the second value also you'll got the humidity value, which is 27. The temperature value still we are waiting here. So from 29, it is going to 27, and then it is in the 27. The temperature value, it will come, I think, in the temperature also it should come. Temperature is 24 around. So the humidity is right now 26. Channel 2, the temperature value. Yeah, temperature came. It is coming 24. So as you can see, the values are coming, and sometime I think because of the program, there are four values here. There are one value. I think because of the program, it is happening. It should come. Both the value should come there at the same time. No, sorry, at the gap of zero point 0.5 second. So this is how you can send the data to the cloud. And this is one cloud that will be used for the IoT, that is called ThingSpeak. Okay. Okay. Another value has been came for the temperature, as you can see. There is a timing also is showing here at different time. You are getting different values. Okay, what else you can do here? You can put some sort of gadgets also inside the ThinkSpeak. So we have some, let's say some gadgets we can put that I'll use for the field one. Let's say it is humidity field. Create the gauge. See, it is showing the value in that way. Or you can put the numeric value. Let's say this is for field 2. The interval 15 seconds. Okay. And it's a temperature you can see. Right. So here the temperature value is visible. So see this value which is coming into the cloud, and from the cloud you can see it, right? So you just have to know this particular channel number or this particular URL you should know, and from your mobile you can see it. Okay. So all of you also can see it. Let me go to the channel setting. Let's go to the sharing. Can we make it public? Keep channel view private, share channel view with everyone. That we can do. Share channel view with everyone, that we can do. Yes. Then we have we can do different type of analytics also. See here, MATLAB analytics, we can do MATLAB visualization also, we can do with all those data. If you want to import the data, I think you can do that. This is data import and export. You just click here and download all this channel feed. So you can just download here. This is the download for exporting. You can export the data. Let's say it is there in CSV file. So as you can see, this is a CSV file and it is showing you the field 1 and field 2 data. So as you can see, you can get the data also from that particular cloud. This is the data that you can import from that. Okay. Or you can, sorry, export from that particular cloud. Import, you can see, you can import the CSV file also for the processing. Okay. In channel setting, we have what else we have? Okay, that's all. Let's go to the view. This is the public view, right? So I am giving you the link. You can also see this data. This is the link. You just click onto the link and see the data which is coming. This is the real-time data that you are getting. Okay. Okay. Now this particular chart I can edit and I can give the title. Let's say this is the humidity. X-axis is date and time. Okay. Y-axis is your humidity in the percentage. Color, background, type I can give. Let's say I want to give the bar. I can do that. I think it will do it, save. So it will come in form of bar chart or bar value, right? You can make it spine, so it will make a smooth curve. Right, it will make a smooth curve like that. So here the title is temperature, the x-axis, y-axis is temperature. Okay. Here also we'll make it spine, let's say. Let's save it. See, so this is your real-time data that you can see in your cloud. Let's say I'll blow some air here so that the value will vary. Okay, some value will vary. So I have given you the link. From that link, you can see this particular view. I think this is the public view that is visible to you. You can add some wedges here. As this, it will be humidity. And I can have this as the temperature. This is filled to C. Right, so all real-time data you are getting here. The humidity is right now 43 and the temperature is 26, 25, right? You can edit also this unit you can measure here. Degree Celsius you can write. I think it will come, okay, here it is coming. I want with 25, it will not come. Okay, so this is how it will be. Your cloud. So I think you understood that how we can send the data into the cloud and how we can download the data from the cloud. And for our analysis and all, we can do it. There is some tab like MATLAB analysis, MATLAB visualization, so that you can explore. I want different plot. I can do that in the visualization, of course. And in the MATLAB analysis, I can do different type of analysis with these data, like get data from, okay, calculate and display average humidity, calculate wind chilled and update channel. Okay, so let's choose the first one. And